Over 1 million women had HIV at the end of 2019. That's crazy. And a decent chunk of them didn't even know they could possibly have it until they went to the doctor. HIV, or Human Immunodeficiency Virus, is like that unwelcome party crasher who messes with your immune system, particularly your CD4 cells, which are like the bouncers keeping everything in check. If left unchecked, HIV can turn into AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, throwing your immune system into chaos and making it easier for other sicknesses and diseases to wreak havoc on your body. Early detection is essential to the fight against HIV. If you're able to catch it early on, you may have way more treatment options. But not a lot of people actually know the signs of HIV, which can lead to a pretty dangerous end. But that won't describe you anymore, because we are going to dive into the top signs of HIV, specifically found in women. Let's go ahead and dive in. Firstly, if you like leading a healthy life and are constantly looking for healthy and easy to incorporate changes to your health, subscribe to our channel. We make it simple to make the right and healthy choices for you. Okay, now back to the tips for early detection of HIV. Some of the more common early on symptoms of HIV in women may include flu-like symptoms and are commonly mistaken as such. These can be things like fever, fatigue, swollen lymph nodes, sore throat, and muscle aches. These symptoms typically start to appear within 2 to 4 weeks after infection, during the acute HIV infection stage. Another common early sign to watch out for is skin rashes. HIV-related rashes can appear as red or brown patches on the skin, often accompanied by itching. These rashes may come and go, but if you notice persistent or unusual skin changes, it's crucial to get tested right away. Furthermore, many women experience vaginal infections, such as yeast infections or bacterial vaginosis. While these infections are common and not often cause for concern, frequent or recurring infections could be a sign of HIV. Now, let's take a deeper look into some lesser-known symptoms of HIV in women. One such sign is oral thrush, or yeast infections in the mouth. This condition can manifest as white patches on the tongue, gums, or throat, along with pain and difficulty swallowing. If you notice these symptoms, it's essential to consult a healthcare professional as soon as you can. Additionally, women with HIV may experience menstrual irregularities. This can include changes in frequency, duration, or intensity of periods. While menstrual irregularities have various cases, it's essential to consider HIV as a possibility, especially if you have any of the other symptoms present. As the infection progresses, more severe symptoms may start to develop, indicating the onset of AIDS. If you begin to notice these symptoms, you need to get checked out by a doctor as soon as you can. These symptoms include persistent diarrhea, rapid weight loss, night sweats, recurrent fevers, and more skin rashes. Unfortunately, no symptoms does not mean no risk. It's important to remember that HIV can often be asymptomatic, meaning you're infected, but you're not showing any symptoms. This is why regular HIV testing is so important, regardless of whether you're experiencing symptoms or not. Wondering how you can get HIV in the first place? It's not like the common cold. It's primarily transmitted through bodily fluids, which is why it's so commonly thought of as an STD. But that's not the only way that you can contract HIV. If you came into contact with contaminated blood, you could be at serious risk for developing HIV. If you suspect you may have been exposed to HIV or experiencing any of these symptoms, it's vital to seek medical advice as soon as possible. Early detection and treatment can significantly improve outcomes and quality of life. Thank you for joining me today as we discuss the signs of HIV in women. Remember, knowledge is power and being informed can save lives. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. Take care and stay safe.